How to hide your post from someone on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can hide Instagram posts from a specific person. So let's just go ahead and do it. So for that, first thing is opening up your Instagram. Once you are on your Instagram, you can go ahead and locate up the account, or you can just directly set up your account to private first. So first thing is making sure that person is not following you, and the most effective way is only to set your account private. So you can go to the menu bar at the top, and from here scroll a bit and you'll be finding this account privacy section. You can just go ahead here and make your account private. After that, this will allow you to approve only the followers that you want and who can see your post. So alternatively, you can also restrict apart from that, limiting the ability to interact with your content without completely blocking them. So you can just go through your following list, look out for your follower. After that, you can just go ahead and tap on the three dot and you'll be finding a restrict option here. You can just go ahead and tap on it and restrict that person. So these are the most comprehensive way to hide your post from anyone who isn't following you. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.